How you doing today? My name is Jeremy. I'm with the Body Lab, and today I'm going to be just showing you how to mix our protein. I'm going to be using our BioPeak vanilla protein, which in my opinion, I've had a lot of proteins, and this is probably one of my most favorite tasting proteins that I've ever had. And the fact that you can mix this with water and still get a good flavor is amazing. So I have here my NutriBlend blender, which I absolutely love. It just literally chops the ice up that I want to use, and I'm going to do 6 ounces of water. This blender is great too. You could also find it on our Zion store. All right, and I do 2 scoops of the protein. I like to go protein heavy in my diet, so you know, with 2 scoops you're getting 36 grams of protein. And of course we have our oil, and everybody knows what this stuff does. It's absolutely magic. Energy levels go up. Since I've been taking this stuff, I have felt like a whole new person. My energy levels are through the roof, and I can't tell you how impressed I am with this product. So I got everything in the blender, and you know, 6 ounces of water. Oh, you know what? I'm missing ice cubes. I like to throw a couple ice cubes in. I like my shake frothier, so the ice with 6 ounces of water and 2 scoops of protein, and I'm going to fire this blender up. And this is what it comes out like. Let me see if I can get this to pour nice. So that's nice and thick and frothy. That's how I prefer my shakes. Obviously, if you want to use less water, more water, you can do whatever you'd like, but I mean, this is absolutely phenomenal. Again, literally the best tasting protein I've ever had with just water. It's absolutely great. Delicious. All right, thanks for watching, and this is Jeremy with the Body Lab, and you can find all of our products right on the Zion store. Everybody have a great day.